Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to our Dreamview channel. Now I am going to tell you about Haier 52 liters direct cool single door 3-star refrigerator. First we'll talk about the features. The key features are capacity 52 liters, good for bachelors or as a single bedroom fridge. Compressor type reciprocatory compressor, which is standard type of compressor with easy maintenance. Performance 3-star for energy saving up to 35%. Defrosting type direct cool, which is economical, consumes less electricity, requires manual defrosting. Specifications: generally in the box we get one refrigerator unit, user manual and warranty card. Type single door. Refrigerator type top freezer refrigerator. Gross refrigerator capacity 52 liters. Power required AC 230 volts. Warranty 1 year on comprehensive and 4 years on the compressor. Cost price 7,499 rupees only. Friends, to get more interesting videos, don't forget to subscribe our Dreamview channel. Please like, share and comment below. Thank you. Keep smiling. Bye bye.